Hello friends, Chris with BeginningGuitarOnline.com. In this series of videos, we'll be placing the major pentatonic scales and the minor pentatonic scales, both found in first position, back to back. This will make the most sense if you've already completed our first position major pentatonics videos and our first position minor pentatonics videos. If you haven't yet checked those out, make sure you go through them, and this will help your practice experience with this scale set be more fruitful. C major pentatonic. Let's look through the pattern. Third finger, open fourth, second finger, open third, second finger, first finger, and then back down. Let's play through it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. A minor pentatonic. Let's talk through the pattern first. Open fifth string, third finger C, open D, second finger E, open G, second finger A. Let's play together. 1, 2, ready, play. Once again, 1, 2, ready, play. G major pentatonic. Let's talk through the pattern. Third finger, open fifth, second finger, open fourth, second finger, open third, second finger, open second, third finger, open first, third finger, and then back down. Let's play through it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we go through E minor pentatonic. It's the same pattern as A minor, but we've moved everything a string lower. Let's talk through it. Open E, third finger G, open A, second finger B, open D, second finger E. Let's play it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, ready, play. D major pentatonic. Let's talk through the pattern. Open fourth, 2, 4, second, open second, third, then back down. Let's play through it together. 1, 2, ready, play. And here we go through B minor pentatonic, starting with second finger B on the A fifth string. Let's talk through the pattern. 2, open D, second finger E, pinky F sharp, second finger A, pinky B, then back down. Let's play through it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. A major pentatonic. This particular pattern will be in 2 octaves. We'll go from A fifth string up to our pinky A on the 5th fret of the 1st string. Let's talk through the pattern. Open 5th, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, open, 2, open, 1, 4. Then back down. 4, 1, open E, 2, open, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, open fifth. Let's play through it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we're going through F-sharp minor pentatonic. Always look for patterns when you're studying guitar scales, and you'll notice here F-sharp minor pentatonic is the same finger pattern we had for B minor. Let's talk through it. Second finger F-sharp, open A, second finger B, pinky C-sharp, second finger E, pinky F-sharp. Here we go together. 1, 2, ready, play. Once again, 1, 2, ready, play. E major pentatonic. This will also cover 2 octaves across all 6 strings. Let's talk through the pattern. Open sixth, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, open second, 2, open first, and then back down. Let's play through it together. 1, 2, ready, play. And here we go through C-sharp minor pentatonic. We'll beginning with our pinky on C-sharp on the 5th string. Let's talk through the pattern. 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2. Let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, play. Once again, 1, 2, ready, play. B major pentatonic. This will just be 1 octave. Let's talk through the pattern. Second finger, 2nd fret of 5th string. That's our B, 2, 4, next string, 1, 4, next string, 1, 4, and back down. You'll notice no open strings in this pattern. 1, 2, ready, play. And here we go through the key of G sharp minor, beginning with our pinky on the 4th fret of the 6th string. Let's talk through the pattern. 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1. Let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, play. Once again, 1, 2, ready, play. If you haven't already, click subscribe below and leave us any questions or comments down below. You can also visit us online at beginningguitaronline.com. While you're there, sign up for the Woodshed newsletter. We gather educational guitar content from around the web and deliver it right to your inbox.